I just got home. I couldn't film anything before now. Not walking in with the dogs, not my morning routine, because I left my camera battery at home. We did get out early today. Today was a teacher prep day. Yesterday was the kids' last day, so I'm home. I'm on winter break now, and we're about to take Roxy to a vet appointment. It's just her follow-up exam after her spay 2 weeks ago. But I wanted to show you what I got from my Secret Santa. So I got two things. I got this little, here, I'm gonna bring it over here. I got this bag. It's a shoulder bag, little travel bag, and it has all kinds of pockets. It's got this one in the back, and then this little zip here that's like for a chapstick. And then you open this up, and the snaps are nice and tight, so it's a great travel bag so nobody can get into it and steal things from you. But it has all kinds of pockets and zippers and pen pockets and stuff in there, which I know you can't really see, but trust me, it does. And it has this one larger compartment here. And if anybody's interested, there's the tag on it, and it also came with that tag, so if you're interested in this bag, you can look it up from there. I also got these two really pretty soup mugs that say "Smell the Roses." They're so pretty. I love the color combination there. We're in the car waiting for the boyfriend to come. He forgot something in the apartment, and Roxy got in my lap here and she's not very comfortable. Look what happened. Goodness.
10, 11.
Cool.
There you go. Okay.
We're in the exam room waiting for the doctor to come in. Roxy is very nervous. She's been nervous ever since we got in the car. Not sure why, I guess just since her last visit here. But she's been in the car before, or since then. She went to that dachshund party. Baron is on the floor. He's just walking around and hanging out. He came just so he wouldn't have to be at home alone and sad, wondering why he got abandoned. Poor Roxy. It's gonna be okay, little girl. It'll be okay, Roxy. Don't worry. Well, we're all done at the vet. We're on our way home. Roxy did very well. As soon as we left, she started feeling better. She wasn't scared anymore. So we're heading home, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of shopping. Heading into TJ Maxx. Looking for something to wear to the funeral tomorrow. Don't know if I wanna do slacks. I'm gonna look at these coats too. Maybe a dress. I forgot to film very much at TJ Maxx because I was so busy shopping. But I found what I needed. And now we're at lunch at Baja. And we've got margaritas because I'm on break. So we're gonna do whatever we want. We've got chips. This is a creamy cilantro, kind of spicy cilantro jalapeno sauce. And they also have a salsa, but I guess neither of us got it, huh? And then we're going grocery shopping at the Kroger where I can't film. I should have shown you this before I cut it all up. But this is my grilled fish taco with tomato and lettuce, and it has like a creamy sauce. It might be the same sauce as the jalapeno cilantro thing. It's similar, it's kind of spicy. But I don't usually eat tortillas, so I just open it up and chop it up and eat it like a little salad. It's very good. Look, there's a puppy on TV. Can you see it? You can see it. It's so cute. And its name is Poppy. Oh, so precious. He must be available for adoption from the Houston SPCA. We need to go rescue Poppy. The boyfriend has his mouth full, so I'm gonna take that as a yes. Grocery shopping. Hopefully this is the last time before Christmas. We're in Central Market now, another grocery store, because we needed some specialty things. And look at this gingerbread house. I know one of you is like a professional gingerbread house decorator person. So I wanted to make sure I showed this to you guys. There's a little kid saying Merry Christmas. But very cool. So we just came out of Central Market, and there was this big SUV parked right behind my car, and there was a guy like in the passenger door between his car and my car, and the security officer was there, and some other guy, like a manager or something. And all we're thinking walking up to my car is, are they going to move the car and get out of the way so I can get my car out? And it looked like, you know, maybe this guy that had the SUV was in trouble or something. And we're like, I just need to move my car. So I walk up and I'm like, that's my car. And the guy that owned his car, the SUV, he looked so sullen. And he was like, I just hit your car. So here's what happened. He ran into my bumper and he stopped, and the security driver happened, or security guard, happened to be there already, like parked in a space nearby. So he stopped, and I don't know if the guy was gonna wait for me anyway. He seemed really nice, like he would wait for me, and the security guard was there. So I was talking to the guy and we exchanged license and insurance information and all that. And he told me what happened. He said that he just bought some flowers and he was driving down the little driveway and they fell over, so he leaned down to pick them up. And you know, that's understandable. I was saying, yeah, somebody needs to invent something to hold flowers up. That's happened to me a few times. And then the poor guy told me that he got the flowers because he was going to propose to his girlfriend tonight. I was like, oh no, what a terrible way to start. Felt so bad for him, but hopefully the night will go well. I have his phone number, so I'm going to text him later and see what she said.
And I told Autumn, his comment tonight will be, hey honey, we're going to have to cut that honeymoon short because my insurance premiums are going up.
Yeah, poor guy. He felt so bad. He kept apologizing over and over. So, I mean, it's not a big deal. I just need a new bumper. It's not like I need different panels and stuff. That's all that's messed up is the bumper. So, not a big deal at all. And I told him we'll just deal with it after Christmas. So, that's what happened. Nobody's home. No one loves us. Oh, they're in a cage? Well, those poor things. They can't get to us. I'll come to you, babies. Oh, they're trying their hardest. Let us out of here. There they are. Hi, guys. Baron, get out of the groceries. Terrible. Terrible, Baron. Where's the dog? There's one. Hi, Roxy. Baron. Oh, what a day it's been. I'm wearing a scarf. It's a little chilly. The boyfriend has the temperature down to 70 in the apartment with air conditioning on December 21st. That's what life is like in Houston. The reflection question today: what was the biggest problem you solved this year? I've said this before. A lot of my answers have to do with Sebastian, and that's again my answer for this one. I didn't solve it, but I was able to help with it. Once he got diagnosed with cancer and we took him to the emergency vet and found out it was cancer, I had limited funds at that point because I'd already spent a few $1,000s on his care over those nights that he was at the emergency vet. I had two choices once I brought him home. I could either sit with him and spend all my time with him knowing that was probably his last night with us, or I could sit a few feet away and I could get on the phone and the internet and try to figure something out to save him or extend his life or help him in some way. And fortunately, since I work with this Dachshund Rescue, All Texas Dachshund Rescue, they were able to help me out and hook me up with a fantastic veterinarian who was able to help him a lot and extend his life for a few weeks without him suffering. And of course, when it came to the point that he was suffering too much, or the problem was going to keep recurring, then I was able to make the decision to let him go. So that was a problem, and solving it isn't quite the right word, but that was a problem I dealt with, and I feel like I handled that well. I know a lot of you have dealt with similar things this year and worse things. So what was the biggest problem that you solved or dealt with this year in 2018? Okay, let's do the advent calendar. We are looking for door number 21. I think I saw it the other day. There's 20, we did that. That looks like a 21. I'm gonna grab my glasses while I'm thinking about it. All right, door number 21. Right here. Here we go. Oh, a big bottle of something. This is, oh, it's one of the almond ones. Those are my favorite. An almond shower gel. excellent. It says cleansing and softening. Lovely. And on the inside of the door, I know to look for this now. It says 1, 2, 3. Not sure what that means. All right, little almond shower gel bottle. You go over here, and we have to move things over, make room for you. Let's put you right there next to the other yellow bottles. There we go. Not much else going on tonight. I'm packing up all of the gifts to go to the first family Christmas party tomorrow, and remembering that the gifts that have food have to be up high because Baron will eat them. We're gonna be going to the farmer's market in the morning and then to a funeral. And I guess we're taking the gifts with us to the funeral because I think from there it's like south of Houston in Missouri City, and then the party is way up in Spring, which is way north of Houston. So I think we'll just have everything in the car with us. The dogs are staying here. So yeah, I've gotta have everything ready for tomorrow. I just remembered I was gonna bring cornbread. Now I have to go make cornbread. I totally forgot about that. I was gonna like sign off and go to bed, but now I'll go make cornbread. It's easy, so it's not a big deal. Just, you know, thought I could relax.